Huvepharma is a fast-growing pharmaceutical company with a focus on developing, manufacturing, and marketing animal health products that boost the performance of our customers' businesses globally. We are one of the top 10 animal health companies in the world, and our aim is to reach and improve the health and performance of every food-producing animal via our unique portfolio of products. Our strengths lie in our fermentation and technical expertise, used in our state-of-the-art manufacturing sites. With a total European fermentation capacity of over 10,000 cubic meters, one of the largest of any pharmaceutical company in the world, we can stay responsive to customer requirements and fulfill orders. We manufacture a broad portfolio of products including anticoccidials, veterinary products, antibiotics, enzymes, feed additives, hygiene products, vaccines, technical grade products, and active pharmaceutical ingredients. Huvepharma employs over 3,000 colleagues around the world, so there is always someone available to respond to your questions. Visit the Huvepharma website at huvepharma.com for more information, and follow us on LinkedIn for regular company updates, scientific thinking, and product news.